Okay, in this video, we'll send a simple. Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to send a quick, simple happy birthday or happy Housiversary card manually using the Thanks.io system. So we'll work backwards here since we're doing this manually. We'll just start with our image template, and we're just going to use Canva, and we're going to click Design Postcard. As always, you could always just upload your own file from Photoshop or whatever you want as well. But we'll click Design Postcard. It'll open up our Canva integration. Now, whenever you open up Canva, and you have a real estate focused account in Thanks.io, it'll bring up a bunch of templates usually, but what we're going to do here is we're going to search templates and we're going to search happy birthday. And you'll see on the left, it'll bring up a bunch of different templates. So if you are happy with what's there, great. If not, you can use Canva to add your logo, your picture, and customize it however you want. So I'm just going to click Save Postcard. And in a second or two, it'll just pull it directly into the system for me to use. It's taking longer than usual, actually right now. But where are you? We'll just click this X right here. And there we go. It's right up at the top right. Now, if I'm sending a postcard, that's what I will do to get my image. If I want to send a more personalized note card in an envelope, I need it to come down to note cards and gift cards, which is what I meant to do. But if you're sending a postcard, it's a little more affordable. You can do it that way. Otherwise, a note card or gift card, I just click Design Note Card or Gift Card, like so. Again, I can do thank you. I can do whatever I want. And then maybe I'll type happy birthday again. But this time, let's do... I don't like that one. Let's do a happy anniversary. So I'm going to search happy birthday. And then I can change this to House-iversary. Like that here. And then I can make all these letters smaller, futz around with Canva if I want. All right, so happy House-iversary. Can you believe another year? Can you believe another year has gone by? Right? So we'll click Save Note Card, and now we'll have our image for our note card in here. So if you've watched our other videos, you know that Thanks.io works off of images, messages, and mailing lists. So now we've got our design done. We'll kind of focus in on this one right here. Now I can just hover over it and click the little send, or I can go separately build my message out for the note card. So I'll go to message here, I'll click add message, and then I'll choose note card like so. I could also choose gift card and include a gift card. So just for demo's sake, note cards and gift cards are pretty much the same thing. The gift card just has this extra image with the gift card in it. I'm going to send a gift card. We're going to do happy House-iversary gift card. Hi. Can you believe another year has gone? I'm not going to type this whole thing out and make you watch. We'll just do happy House-iversary. Then you write whatever you want, right? Right? And then sign it, your name. P.S. I've attached a gift card. A $20 Home Depot gift card. Now, keep in mind with Thanks.io, you don't pay for these gift cards until they are scanned by the recipient. And a lot of times they aren't if you're on our business plan. But I'm just showing this for demo purposes. If you wanted to buy them a cup of coffee or you want to include in real estate, Home Depot is pretty relevant right here. Gift card to help with all that home maintenance, something like that. Have a little fun with it. And then it just does like this panel right here. If you wanted to say, hey, if you're curious about what the house could sell for now, or you might do something like, instead of a gift card, you might do something like if you want to see a list of investment properties because you want to buy another property, you could do those kinds of calls to action as well. So if I skip back here to note card, I could easily have a link in my QR generator up here over to investment properties, right? Or my home value page. At this point, I'm assuming you've watched our other videos about how to do just listed cards, how to do circle prospecting, right? Because in the order in our documentation. So I am going a little fast and glancing over all this. So I'll reference those videos for the nitty gritty of what I'm doing here. But just know you can put QR codes on all of our send types. And then when somebody scans them, you'll see it kind of render here down at the bottom right, you are notified in real time. So the point of this is that you can send a happy House-iversary, you can send a happy birthday, then make a PS or an additional offer to take a next step toward working with you. If you don't mind leaving me a review, scan the QR code. If you like a list of investment properties, scan the QR code. If you like to see what your house is worth today, scan the QR code. I think you get the picture. So once we've got our image and our message template built out in the system, go ahead and save this. Then it's just a matter of using our step-by-step wizard or the quick sender on the home page. I'll use the step-by-step wizard here. I'll choose my note card that I just made. There's my image, my happy House-iversary, right? I'll choose my message template, like so. And you can see it's got my logo because I've used the branding builder and all that other stuff on it. Hit continue. And then we're sending this to just one person, so we'll just manually add the address that we're going to send it to right here, right? And like that, you can get it out. Now, in a separate video, I'm going to show you how to automatically get these birthday and House-iversary cards out. It's a little more involved, but if you have a past client list or a sphere list and you have a bunch of birthdays, Thanks.io will automatically send every year these cards out like clockwork for you. So watch that other video. It'll be in our real estate documentation page right below this video if you want to check that out.